Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need to download driver Lexmark this here for Surya. And you type here the driver to look, and please write and search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website easy to download for install the driver. Okay, this here for official website. You click here and please write. This here for the printer. You scroll down. This here for the title support. Click here for the title and this here for the title driver and download. Click here and this here for search automatic you model the print and this here for search the tag automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for Macintosh or the Linux and this here for the tag automatic your operating system and the version operating system. Okay, and this here for the Windows 11 support, and this here for the uh, all the printer for the Windows support, and click here for the package if you need to download, and this here for match the version for the Windows support. This for the Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows 10, Windows 11. Okay, and this here for the release, and this here for the version, and this here for match the language support. If you need download, you click here for start download the driver. Okay, if you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and please wait. Finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description the video. And this here for the tutorial for install the printer. Okay, if you need question, comment.